Everyone, today we would like to raise your awareness in the midst of pandemic in the Philippines. How to prevent the spreading of disease and how to prevent you from getting the disease. Today we'll talk about the definition of coronavirus. So coronavirus is a disease that is infectious and is caused by newly discovered virus. This virus tend to target old people than the young ones according to WHO or the World Health Organization.
Most people with COVID-19 will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and will recover without requiring any special treatments. But for those who are older and with underlying disease like cardiovascular disease, cancer, and diabetes are more likely to develop some serious illness.
The COVID-19 pandemic primarily spread through the droplets of saliva or when you caught an infected person, sneeze or cough. So it is always important to practice respiratory etiquette so that you won't catch the disease.
At this time, there are no perfect vaccines or treatments for this disease. However, there are many ongoing clinical trials evaluating potential treatments. And also, the World Health Organization will continue to provide an immediate update as soon as the clinical findings are ready and yet to be available.
The best way to prevent and slow down the transmission is to be informed about the coronavirus, the disease it causes and how it spreads. Protect ourselves from infection by washing our hands or using an alcohol-based rub frequently and not touching our face. And don't forget to apply social distancing when we go outside by simply staying 6 feet apart from each other.
Why the coronavirus can affect our mental health. Not only the threat of the new virus is scary, but also the life-stressing challenges that people are facing, like loss of jobs, who works at pubs, restaurants, or even self-employed. They also have their income cut. Social distancing and self-isolating mean avoiding seeing friends and family, and many people are worried about vulnerable loved ones. And of course, for the 1.5 million people recommended to stay indoors entirely for these past months, as part of the shielding initiative, restriction are even more extreme. In addition, it can be hard to escape the constant barrage of bad news in the media too, which can add to feelings of stress and despair.
To support your mental health at this time, you can try some of these tips that we had researched. Practice self-care. It's easy to slip into the habit of sleeping late, spending all day in your pajamas, and eating junk food. But looking after yourself is essential for your mental health. Even simple tasks such as washing your face can feel difficult sometimes, but they can make a big difference to the way you feel. Exercise when you can. Getting moving is easier said than done when you feel low or anxious, but can significantly boost your mood. And for the last tip that we prepared is distract yourself. Distracting ourselves, we easily tend to be stress-free and move from our problems.